This video will explain how to use our reusable digital pregnancy test with Weeks Indicator. If this is your first time to perform our digital pregnancy test, please read the instruction carefully. You can test from 4 days before you miss your period. The test kit include monitor and HCG test sticks. The monitor is reusable. You can make package include 1 monitor and 1 to 5 HCG test sticks, according to your request. Don't drink lots of liquid before testing. Before performing the test, allow the monitor and HCG test sticks equilibrate to room temperature, 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. Make sure HCG symbol facing up and is shown on the same side of LCD display. Insert the HCG test stick into the monitor until locked completely. You will feel a slight click. In the meanwhile, all symbols displayed along with beeps shortly. After displayed symbols one by one, the monitor beeps again with a steady HCG on the display. Keep the absorbent sampler pointing downwards or lay the test flat. Throughout testing, never hold the test with absorbent sampler pointing upwards. Enter the absorbent sampler into your collected urine sample for at least 20 seconds. You will hear beeps, and the HCG symbol will flash to show the test is working. Lay the monitor on a flat surface with the display facing up. Few seconds later, the monitor will beeps and the HCG symbol will flash to show the test is working. Around 5 minutes, the display will show your result with beeps shortly.